In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a GoDaddy website so you can just use the domain. So for some reason, GoDaddy, when you buy a domain, they try and get you to use their website hosting plan. Maybe you filled this in by accident. Now you've got a published website connected to your domain on GoDaddy, which you just don't want. Let me show you how you can remove it. So if you start on the GoDaddy dashboard, you'll probably be on the products page. Here you'll be able to see, if you scroll down, your domains and also the websites as well that are connected, right? Now for some reason my domain is now being used on a GoDaddy website. So I'm going to click on manage on the websites and marketing section. And I just want to remove it completely. I just want to unlink the domain from the website, delete the website, so I can just use the domain elsewhere. So the easiest way that I've found to do this is to just ask Aero. And this is the AI tool, and we can just essentially get these to do it for us. So I'm going to just type here, I need to delete the website so I can use the domain elsewhere. Something along those lines so the AI can understand. It needs to obviously be simple. So once you've typed this in, it's going to analyze the request, and it's probably going to ask you what domain do you want to unlink. In my case, I'm going to choose searchablehowto.com. Click on continue here. And there you go, your connection has now been deleted. So now the website searchablehowto.com has been successfully removed. You can now use this domain for other purposes. So that is essentially how you can do it. This website should no longer exist, and we should now be able to use our domain for other purposes.